Renee again on my vlog. I'm gonna eat 2 slices of pizza and wash it down with a Coke. You can eat it like this, or you can fold it. I like folding mine. Good. Oh, good. Wash it down with the Coke. Have a nice slice here.